Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to play on Bet365. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, you'll need to open your web browser. Then on the search bar type in bet365.com. Once you press enter, you'll get to this website. Now all you have to do is create an account. To create an account, you'll have to click on this join button. Then enter your details on this page. Then once you have filled up the form, click on this button. Once you do so, your account will be created. Then you can log into your account by clicking on this yellow button. Once you click on the button, you'll have to enter your login credential on this box. Then click on login. And if you're having trouble logging in, you can click on this link to get help. Once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Now, to place bets, all you have to do is go to this sports section. And once you're on this section, now scroll down and select any sport. For example, I'll select this match. To place your bets, all you have to do is click on the odds. For example, I'll just select this, just like so. You can place on any bets. Now, to add this bet on your slip, all you have to do is click on this green button, then click on this arrow, then it will show your accumulator. You can enter your amount on this box, just like so. Then at last, you can place your bet by clicking on this button. Before placing your bets, you'll have to add deposit amount into your account. To do so, go back. Then click on your profile at the top right corner. Then click on this deposit button. Once you do so, you'll have to enter your bank details. Then enter the amount of deposit on this box. Then click on this button. Once you do so, the amount will be added to your account and you can use that amount to place bets. And if you win the bets, the amount that you can cash out will be shown on this area where it says withdrawable. And to cash out, you can click on bank. Then once you reach to this page, click on withdraw and enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And you'll also have to enter your account's password. And once you do so, the amount will be added to your bank account. So this is how you play on Bet365. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.